Animals Everywhere by R.A. Munoz. This is a rabbit hopping so fast, that little frog who loves to jump past. These are the birds flying up high. Those are the squirrels that ran by. This is a kitten, soft and small, that puppy's barking, having a ball. These are the turtles, slow and steady. Those are the lions, strong and ready. In shadow dark the rats do creep, spreading sickness, doubt and fear. These are the animals we can see everywhere. They can be cared, but be aware.